Planning your wedding at the Allen Farmhaus? Here's the thing. Your dance floor is going to be in more photos than almost anything else at your reception. That's why choosing the right one matters. The Allen Farmhaus has a beautiful blend of modern elegance and Texas charm. A 15 by 15 black and white checkered dance floor fits the space perfectly. It adds a bold, timeless look that complements the venue without taking attention away from your decor. Nobody tells you this, but a dance floor that's too big can actually make the party feel smaller. A 15 by 15 size is a great fit for many weddings because it keeps everyone together, creates great energy, and still gives your guests plenty of room to dance. There's a reason this style never goes out of fashion. The black and white checkered design looks elegant with almost every wedding theme. Whether your colors are neutral, bold, rustic, or modern, it creates a beautiful focal point for your reception and makes every photo stand out. We take care of delivery, professional setup, leveling when needed, and tear down after the celebration. Every quote is customized based on your venue, event schedule, and location, so you'll know exactly what's included before your wedding day. Your first dance, your grand entrance, the parent dances, the packed dance floor later in the evening. These are the moments everyone remembers, and they'll all happen right here. A beautiful dance floor helps make every one of those memories even more unforgettable. If you're getting married at the Allen Farmhaus and want a dance floor that's elegant, timeless, and built for incredible photos, send us a quick message. We'll help you choose the perfect setup, show you real event photos, and provide a fast, customized quote so you can see exactly how it will look on your wedding day.